distance.
Okay.
Kind of throttle we got here.
Ah, there we go.
Whoa, what happened there?
Landing gear retracted.
Did that go on its own? I didn't hit nothing.
Okay.
See you later, Don. See you later. Hold on.
I'm not ready yet. I'm disconnected. This sounds like
All right, now we should be a little bit better.
Right this second, you're headed straight. Well, kind of headed into the wind. Keep shifting around. Generally to the west, though. Hey, you sure you don't want to go back further?
Yeah, it's gonna take much.
Yeah, you're going right towards the trees too, though, man. Yeah, he's confident.
yeah, Ron, just pull the tail. Alright. Here, I'm gonna have you full rev it. Alright, one more time. I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna rev it. Alright.
Oh!
Every time.
Does that every damn time. Oh, you just lost your prop, man. Just came loose.
This is what I wanna do. I wanna stuff some foam in the front and get that battery pack back. See if it'll keep some of them.
Greg, what's wrong with this plane?
What happened was the ground stopped the prop and it kept spinning and undid itself.
Yeah. At least it didn't break.
I went running over there. Well, I'm glad you were here to do that.
It's a pretty big motor.
It'd have been a yawn.
Oh yeah. It's a bunch of plane, man.
It's
Three
almost-
tracks and everything.
Looks like it's almost as big as
He's one of those you think
as the
he
monster.
knows it all already.
It's done. He's done with it, right?
Well,